The number one thing that's going to make you successful is taking action on a regular basis. There's nothing you can do to replace taking action. You can read all the books, you can watch all the YouTube videos, you can hang out in all the Facebook groups, you can, become best friends with millionaires and people who are just crushing it. But if you don't take action, you are not going to succeed. This is something that took me a long time to figure out. I've always had this inner feeling that I just, this urge to want to make more money, to build businesses, to reach more people, to help more people. And the first couple of years, I was steadily growing and things were going well, but I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. And at the end of the day, I just wasn't taking enough action. There's nothing you can do to replace action. Very few people take massive amounts of action and fail. It just doesn't happen regularly. Now, you may take action and you might get results that aren't optimal. Maybe you were shooting to make a certain amount of money and you fell a little bit short. Taking action, you're going to get results. That's it. Very few people ever take action and they get nothing. It just doesn't happen. That's the secret. You want to make more money, you want to get fitter, healthier, you want to feel better, take action, because when you take action, you get results. And when you get results, you feel good, and that good feeling inside leads to more action, more momentum, and that's the key to the game. Getting that momentum, starting to stack, achievement on achievement, and then you start getting pumped up and excited, and people start noticing, and then you feel good, and then you become that person. You start to create this identity in yourself where, you've leveled up, and now you can't go back down once you level up, and you're just on fire, and you're so pumped up. Now, it's not going to be perfect all the time. It's going to be tough at times to take action. You might get burnt out. There's times where I am just grinding my pedal to the metal, just going hard, hitting the ground running, and sometimes I burn out a little bit. It's okay to take a rest here and there, unless you're Gary Vaynerchuk or you're, who's that big real estate guy? I always forget his name. But anyways, if you're a freak of nature and you can just keep going and going and going and going and never quit, good for you. Like I salute. But most people aren't going to be able to go that hard all the time. And don't beat yourself up, but take action on a consistent basis. If you look back, over the last couple of years and you take a look at how hard you've been working and you take a look at your results, there's going to be a strong correlation between how much action you've taken and then the results that you've gotten. Now, there's another level to this, because there are some people who they're just grinding, and they're taking just massive amounts of action. They might be up to 50, 60, 70 hours a week, and things are just kind of capped off. The problem there is you're taking massive amounts of action, but you're climbing up the wrong ladder, which means sometimes, a certain ladder is only going to go up to the second floor or the third floor in terms of income. It just might not be a big enough ladder. So if you want to get to the fifth floor, sixth floor, seventh floor, you might have to climb another ladder, which means you might have to switch up your business model, or you may need to leverage your business model by hiring people, virtual assistants. Maybe you need a physical location to hire physical staff to be able to scale and grow. So there's two different parts of the action. There's taking action, and then there's being smart with what actions you're taking. That's the secret recipe right there, guys. In terms of my business over the last 5 years, when I level up and I make more money and I'm getting better results, it's typically because I'm taking massive amounts of action and I'm combining it with the right types of actions that are going to yield the results that I'm looking for. So hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. I was just out in the vet taking a little ride, but it's starting to rain out, so this thing doesn't do so well in the rain. But really appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you guys are just crushing it. Remember, take massive amounts of action, and also feel free to slow down every now and then. And when you do slow down because maybe you're burnt out or getting tired, think. Spend time thinking. Go get a whiteboard, get a journal, and just write down ideas. Spend the first 15 minutes a day writing down 20, 30 different ideas that can help you to level up, to help you to grow. Fine-tune your business model. Fine-tune your actions. Hire people if you can. Really think. There's a great book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and that's the truth right there. You can take massive amounts of action, but you've got to think to take the right actions, which is phase 2, to level up. So appreciate you guys. Go out there, have an amazing day. Subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys thought about this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.